clear for takeoff, turn right on course.
So my first ever IFR flight was with Brandon the night before this flight, and you can find the link to that video in the description below. So that being said, the whole IFR experience is still kind of new to me, so keep that in mind while watching this video. This video isn't meant for any sort of instructional purposes or anything of that nature. It's just mainly for the purpose of you guys being able to ride along on this cool and fun IFR approach into New Orleans Lakefront Airport. So just to give a little background on this flight, we departed out of McKinney, Texas earlier this morning, and this is our first leg of 3 on our way to St. Simons Island, Georgia. We're going to stop in New Orleans and get some seafood for a late lunch. Brandon's been a good friend of mine for a while who just so happens to be a pilot and an instrument-rated CFI, so I saw it to be a pretty good idea to have him tag along. I knew we'd have a lot of fun, and I thought it'd be a good idea to bring a CFI with me, also to help me break some bad habits and break some complacency that I had built up over time. And also, while we're at it, give me some instrument flying experience, since I'm going to be starting my official instrument training here pretty soon. So, hope you guys enjoy, sit back, and enjoy the flight.
I want to give you all the view, so let me do this. And Baton Rouge, A0991, can we get 5,000?
Cessna 9901, descend and maintain 5,000.
Okay, 5,000, thank you, 991. The view? Yeah, I want y'all to be able to see the sea and stuff when we get close and not fly through this shit. But, I mean, it's a few to scattered layer below, but it's just this is overcast. Oh, we're about to straight.
November 80, Papa, turn right, heading 220.
Right 220, 80 Papa.
And November 80, Papa, advise if you would like any of your approaches
what
with
airport
the
is that over here?
45-degree turn on, otherwise you can expect the normal 30.
Yeah, we're direct to the Baton Rouge VOR right which is the co-located with the airport, I think.
Baton Rouge
is it?
Oh,
no, it's not.
Yeah, I was going to say, you're off course.
Baton Rouge is up there. You're right. VOR is right in front of us.
Area. Did you want to continue with flight services or just cancel completely?
So without GPS, this is how they would expect you.
9901, when able, proceed direct New Orleans Lakefront.
Okay, direct Lakefront, 9901. K-New? Direct New, yes sir. Direct K-New, activate.
Number 80, Papa, contact tower 118.45.
Alright, we are on heading.
1845, 80 Papa.
35 minutes. Okay. Give it a little power, pick up our ground speed. Yeah, pick up our ground speed there. Can you take the controls for a minute? My airplane. Alright, your airplane. I've never been to Baton Rouge. That's a shame. Yeah, it's a fun little city. Dig into oil. Yep. My airplane? Your airplane. Got it. 500 feet to go. Yep.
And Navy 065, how far from the Baton Rouge Airport is your landing area?
Got a little more performance there.
We're going to Baton Rouge Airport, ma'am.
Navy 065, roger, and say your aircraft type.
Bell's 206.
Navy 065, roger, into Westfield boundary and reports field in sight.
065, welcome.
A little bit of IMC. Alright, you got it, man. Now I've seen what you can do at night, so I'm confident in you in the daytime. Yeah, daytime's a bit easier. Your peripherals exist, right? Well, assuming you're not in full IMC. Right, yeah.
290 on the head.
Oh, that was nothing.
Through 1,000.
Now we got a lot more in front of us.
Experimental 8755 Alpha, Baton Rouge departure, ready contact, resume on navigation, maintain VFR.
We're going to need to check the weather before we go again. Got some deteriorating.
Moon 75, radar
deteriorating. I'll talk to you about it on the ground.
Baton Rouge 33010.
Great, thanks. Step by.
November 8, Sierra Papa, turn right heading 130.
Right, 130, Sierra Papa.
Delta 1278, turn left heading, let's make it 160 on the heading.
There's some full IMC. Yep, just for a second.
November 80 Papa, missed approach instructions remain the same.
Missed approach instructions remain the same, 80 Papa.
Delta 1278, descend and maintain 3000. Delta 1278, can you accept ILS runway 22 right? Delta 1278, what are the bases out there? Number 80 Papa, what are the bases in that area?
Good.
About 1,800, 80 Papa.
I started to let it slip.
Yeah, just
Right.
correct back.
I'm buckled up, by the way.
Good.
Good. God, this is pretty. I love being in and out of it. Uh-huh.
Why you turn, Josh?
Southwest 1523 is 5 miles from Povey. Turn left.
I'm just more sensitive to it because you're wearing the suit.
2000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 1 approach.
You want me to just like let you know when I'm correcting? Or?
Intercept
No, that's every single time. It's
the
just,
ILS runway 1.
I'm watching you as you slowly. It's hard to tell for me if you're deliberately doing it, if you're just like.
Approach, Navy Echo 072, level 1,000 feet, 10
Suction's
miles
good.
to the east of 1 Lima Romeo, or 1
I guess if you're ever in
zero
doubt,
information.
if you see that I'm off course a little bit, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, Mr. Call sign, which way you headed and what's your request?
To St. John the Baptist, level 1,000 feet. We've just opened our IFR flight plan to Gulfport. I'd like to pick it up and get IFR handling to Gulfport.
Cessna 991, turn right heading 130.
130, 991.
Southwest 1791, turn left heading 240.
240, Southwest 1791.
November 6 Delta Sierra, radar services terminated. Contact Thermal Tower 125.3.
Careful, not too much. Not too much.
Standard rate.
Yep. Now hear your engine, you're descending. Nice correction. Fix it slowly. You're fine.
Atlanta, good afternoon, November 463, Juliet Delta, out of 16,000, descending 11,000. We have Delta at Columbus.
November 30 Mike, your misapproach instructions are to fly heading 160, maintain 2000, and return to this frequency.
Yeah, 10,000, pilot discretion, 4,000, 3 Juliet Delta.
November 30 Mike, radar services terminated, change to advisory frequencies approved, report your miss.
That's beautiful.
That is sexy.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
November 30 Mike, radar services terminated, change to advisory frequencies approved, report your missed approach.
The coloration out there.
1791, contact Houston Center on 126.35.
2635, Southwest 1791.
Flagship 4001, turn right heading 205.
205, flagship 4001.
So I want you guys to notice something too about IMC. Here's the scary part, okay? You're on top. What can you tell me about this cloud deck? Look at it. Look at it as it goes this way.
It rises.
It rises, doesn't it?
Yep. Yeah.
It's flat, but it rises. So
3000.
the issue
Down to 3,000.
is that even when you're on top, a lot of guys, you really don't have a horizon because you have no way to know. I mean, this one's pretty obvious. You can kind of tell, but it's especially if you're in between layers. Oh shit! Like there's no way.
Can you take the airplane real quick?
Okay, my airplane.
Your airplane.
I'm gonna grab a picture out this way.
We're gonna hit some IMC up here. That's alright.
I'm
scared.
Be on your ship before you get into it.
Yep. Oh, that's exactly what I was doing. I was checking my heading and
Suction and everything else before you.
Yep. Suction's good, fuel's good, green, ammeter.
Yeah, Blue 401, that traffic's passing 9 o'clock now, 4 miles at final, 1,300.
We're still looking to see it, JetBlue 401.
Clip 717, Hotel Delta, New Orleans break.
Turn off my iPad, or lock it. Save battery. Okay. I trust you.
7 Hotel Delta, it's your choice. Right now we're showing fuel at 2,000, ceiling's 4,500 broken with 10 miles visibility.
You can almost get the airport inside if you just give me a descent. And approach 991. If we get a descent a couple thousand feet, we can probably get the airport inside. I've got clear below.
JetBlue 401, turn left heading 100, RJ is not a factor, report to airport inside.
100 heading well reported, JetBlue 401.
Hotel Delta, depart VFR squawking 0434. Southwest 698, descend and maintain 2,000 and flighting 110.
110, down to 2,000, Southwest 698.
JetBlue 401, continue left turn heading 090, and airport's going to be 10 o'clock and 7 miles, report inside.
090 and runway's in sight down, JetBlue 401.
JetBlue 401, cleared visual approach runway 1, connecting New Orleans Tower 119.5.
Cleared the visual for 1 over the tower, JetBlue 401.
Southwest 698, you following traffic, 11 o'clock and 7 miles, a Airbus 2,000 feet on the base turn, report that traffic inside of you.
As soon as we get below the clouds, we'll do that, Southwest 698.
Jerome 030 Alpha, ready service terminated, contact Toma Tower 125.3.
They're busy.
November 30 Mike, turn right heading 330, and you're 4 miles from the final approach fix, maintain 2,000 until established, clear for the GPS, runway 36, approach Hammond. And November 909 we'll have lower once you get on the other side of MSY.
Okay.
Little adjustments on the attitude indicator don't help much vertically. You gotta really watch that VSI.
Yep. It's a continuous scan, my friend.
Yep.
And November 991, descend and maintain 4,000, flighting 100.
100 and 4,000, 991.
That's to 100 down to 4,000.
Southwest 698, turn left heading 090.
090, Southwest 698.
Not too much, man.
That was less than standard rate.
Well, no, but I don't want you to let it flip the...
Traffic in the airport inside.
It's really easy to overdo it.
Right, yeah.
Cleared visual approach, runway 1. You got about 99 on them now, connecting New Orleans Tower 190.5.
Switching tower, we're slowing. Cleared visually behind
Watch
him,
your red
Southwest
line.
698.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Okay. I'm going to enrichen you a little bit.
Okay. Hauling ass.
November 30 Mike, report canceling IFR on this frequency, either in the air or on the ground. Radar service terminated, change to advisor frequency approved. November 30 Mike, report canceling IFR on this frequency, either in the air or on the ground. Radar service is terminated, change to advisor frequency approved.
Drifted right a little bit.
Okay, that's correct. That's all you got to do.
Yep.
November 991, connecting New Orleans approach 133.15.
3315, bye. New Orleans approach, good afternoon. Cessna 991 with you, 4,400, sending 4,000.
Number 80991, New Orleans approach, flighting 0, actually, say type approach requesting at Lakefront.
You know what, we were assigned the GPS originally, but we can probably do the visual as soon as we break out of the clouds here.
Number 991, turn left heading 080, expect visual approach. Maintain 4,000, have loaded for you here, Charlotte.
080, expect the visual, and then roger that, 991.
Departure United 1110, checking on 2.2 for 4,000, and for reference, the bottoms are about 1,900.
1900, that's good.
The bottoms of those.
Yeah.
And who's that? United 1110?
You'll be coming down.
Yeah, 1110, New Orleans departure radar contact. Climb and maintain 15,000, turn left heading 330.
Left 330 up to 15, 15,000, 1110.
That was a little steep there. Oh, watch it.
Yep, you got it.
I thought you said concentrate, look over there. I was like, what? No, concentrate.
You're number 2 to the field, following the clips on the east side.
Okay, there's a few scattered clouds, so negative contact.
And I'm just going to keep on this heading until I get him turned on final.
Okay, that's fine, 991. I think I've got this.
And 80 Whiskey Papa, descend and maintain 4,000, traffic 12 o'clock, 10 miles eastbound to helicopter at 3,000.
No, I'm just talking to myself. Okay.
We're down to 4,000, 0 Whiskey Papa.
Getting ready to arrest that descent.
Okay, I'm enriching your mixture.
Alright. Not all the way though, right?
Huh? Not all the way.
Okay.
Almost.
I'll go rich when we're on like a 3-mile final.
That's fine. Power to gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop, power, trim, strap, slaps.
Yep.
Okay. We're vectors, we're being vectors.
991 traffic at you 11 o'clock in a mile, typing out to the known, just getting the primary target, maneuvering southbound.
Okay, what else is he at?
I don't have an altitude, just primary target.
Okay, roger, thanks that. We're about to be IMC again for a quick second. I really don't like that when it's
like, 30 Charlie, descend and maintain 4,000.
Even though I know he's probably out of the shit, it's just... that makes me uncomfortable.
Yeah.
And there is Whiskey Pop traffic.
I know plenty of guys to violate it.
Maintain 2,000.
Down 2,000, 0 Whiskey Pop. Good visual, 36 left, Lakefront, 0 Whiskey Pop.
Yeah, they're shooting the visual.
991, turn left heading, let's make it 070 for now.
070, 991.
North approach, Mojo 42, current climate through 2,500, 4,000, plus 180.
Flying right over the layer like this.
Just want the visual to 180.
We can pull this up. Yeah.
I'd like to,
almost have
ILS, if we could.
You almost have the airport
Mojo 48, expect the ILS. Sorry, Mojo 42, expect the ILS.
Mojo 42.
Departure break there at 58, 55, 1,700 for 4,000.
Got some tall ones out there.
Delta 1293 is passing 13.1 at slid information label.
Connective or what?
55, no
Huh?
departure at
Are you thinking
contact, climb, maintain 15,000.
Possible. Yeah, there is some stuff out east
55.
that we're going to have to work around.
Delta 1293, no approach, route direct Povey for runway 1, descend and maintain 7,000.
Check Povey, down to 7,000.
Out there, that's all the ocean.
93.
Number 0 Whiskey Pop, connect Lakefront Tower, 19.9.
That's ocean.
19.9, 0 Whiskey Pop.
Off to your 2 o'clock, the ocean.
There 80991, turn left heading is 050.
050, airport's in sight when it helps, 991.
991, roger, 1 second, assure the eclipse turning base leg, I'll clear you.
Roger.
North citation 953, Hotel Charlie's with you, 11000. We have uniform at Lakefront.
Number 991, turn left heading is 030.
030, 991.
Alright, there's Record Charlie, descend and maintain 2,000.
2,000, Zerk Charlie.
Are you filming this, man? Yep. Cool. Thanks.
Did you get a good shot at New
Number
Orleans?
38 Juliet, descend and maintain, disregard. And number 991, cleared visual approach 36 left Lakefront.
Clear visual 36 left Lakefront, 991, thanks.
38 Juliet, descend and maintain 4,000.
Got the runway?
38 Juliet out of 5 for 4.
Right there. It's the only piece
Alright,
jutting
Record
out.
Charlie, the airport's off the right hand side,
Clear visual, go ahead and
5 miles.
If you want.
We got the airport size, Zerk Charlie.
Do we need to maintain
Charlie,
visual?
cleared visual approach runway 1, turn 5-mile final, also getting a low altitude alert on you, no one's out, altimeter 3012.
Alright, turn 5-mile final.
You can get close, you have to maintain visual.
Clear visual runway 1, Zerk
Clear
Charlie.
clouds, clear clouds.
5855, turn right heading 050.
Right to 050, 5855.
Yeah, again, 1,900 foot tall tower right here.
And approach foot 717, Hotel Delta is with you.
Okay, pre-landing checklist.
Delta 1293, verify you got descent down to 5,000.
You also got one here,
We're
but
at a 11000 now for 5,000, Delta 1293.
Four landing fuel selector.
Bravo Lima to sector 6 for 4,000.
Rich, Carby, on.
And approach clip 717, Hotel.
There, 41 Bravo Lima, no one's approaching.
Flaps, sorry, yeah, there's flaps. I'll add those in a little bit.
Okay.
Down to Zerka Charlie, connect tower 19.5.
Yep,
19.5, Zerka Charlie.
Dog 991, connect Lakefront Tower 19.9.
19.9, 991.
38 Juliet, reduce your final line approach speed. You're following traffic doing 100 knots, 6 mile final at Lakefront.
Lakefront Tower, good afternoon. Cessna 80991 with 80991 with you. Visual 36 left.
Number 80991, Lakefront Tower, good afternoon. Runway 36 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 36 left, 991.
big ass runway.
Yep.
Yeah, it is. Gas, undercarriage, mixture power, seat belts. I'm good.
Okay.
Doors and windows closed and latched.
Yep. That's Lake Pontchartrain.
Yep. Yeah, that's a big ass lake.
So all these levees over there, they flooded at Katrina, they broke during Katrina, and all that water just went whoosh.
Ears are popping.
Yep.
The big ass cruise ship too. Jesus. Sorry, man. In your way here. Okay, you're fine. $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. Okay. Get a little more.
Can I give you the automated altitude call out voice?
Yep.
500.
Female, please.
500.
I can't make my voice go that high. Bro, don't you know?
You see a windsock? No, I got it. Never mind. Just to the left of the Pappy.
You could just... One check.
33013.
I've done that too. I try not to, but... if it's all over the place, then... Yeah, and they're not busy at all.
No. Do the whole time.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000. 20 degrees. Dead on. Alright.
ATC's there to help you.
Yes, they are.
Carburetor gas, undercarriage, mixture prop, power trim, strap swaps. In the event of a go around, carb heat goes cold. Yep.
Be putting it into a slip here pretty soon.
Yeah, you got it. White blocks, 1,000-foot blocks, bro.
Yep. Well, I mean to correct the crosswind.
Oh.
I'll be landing shy of those.
Oh, sorry. Your way.
Maybe not.
Power off. Push all the way off. Push idle that bad boy. Yeah. You got it.
Nice.
Good.
Very nice.
That was very cool.
991, turn right on Kilo, contact ground point 7.
Right at Kilo, ground point 7, see you 991.
See ya.
Brandon actually called me out on something during my flare, and I'm actually really glad he did. He pointed out that when I'm starting my flare, even if I'm not landing on a soft field, I add a little bit of power to try and smooth out my touchdown as much as possible. But what it actually does for me most of the time is it actually causes me to float longer than I intended, and the airplane just ends up slamming on the ground because I lost my lift when I was higher than I originally was. Ever since Brandon gave me that little piece of advice, my landings have been consistently better, and that's a bad habit that I'm really glad he broke me of, and that's exactly why I wanted a CFI to tag along to help break some bad habits and complacency that I had built up over time. So thanks for tagging along on this flight. I hope you enjoyed the video. A new video comes out every Monday, or at least I try and release a video every Monday, so you can subscribe to be notified whenever a new video is released, and until next time, fly safe guys. Thanks for watching.
5Gs.
5Gs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, wow.
Wanna hold the camera up and we'll do it again?
Yep.
Okay. So you get the top of it.